Hey, hello everyone, Bruno here, and today I'm going to talk and show something that is cool, which is basically how we can add a package to a .NET project, to a C# project, but not from NuGet or other sources, in this specifically scenario from GitHub Package Repository. And this is something that I literally learned because I was talking with my colleagues, Frank and Aaron. They told me about this amazing Aspire community toolkit extensions, and we have the Olama integration. And I really like it because somewhere here we have the chance to do this, which is basically when we are configuring Aspire, we can say, hey, add Olama and add a model. This is great for demo, testing, productions, and more. You can literally, with 2 lines, have support for a small language model like Phi3, Llama, or more. And in order to do this, what we need to do is we need to add a package. But the package is not published yet here in NuGet. So talking with the team, they say, oh, no, we are not there yet. They are going to publish the package anytime soon. But in the meantime, the package is available here in the NuGet package repository, because as part of the process that we have in the repository, they are publishing here. And this one was published 4 hours ago. So it's working super fine, super nice. But in order to add this to our Visual Studio, to our C# project, to a .NET project, we need to do a couple of things. And first of all, we need to authenticate. We need to manage to basically define how we are going to work with the NuGet registry. And there are a couple of things that we need to do here. First of all, we need to create a personal access token. So I am going to go back here. I'm going to go to my tokens. I'm going to generate a new token. Right now it's working with the classic one. Let's do this demo delete, 30 days. And important here, I need to enable the read package feature here. That is basically allows this token to download a package from the GitHub package repository. Once I have this, I can generate the token. Let me copy the token information here. I'm going to paste this somewhere here. And then I can follow the tutorial. The tutorial basically says that I need to create a NuGet config file in my project. So I'm going to go create a new project. So let's create a new Aspire starter app where we are going to have everything in Aspire. Let's do this in my temp folder. Create, a couple of seconds later, there it is. And I want to add this reference in the host. So what I am going to do, I am going to create a new config file. There it is, created there. And then I'm going to copy the content here that I have. I'm going to copy the content, and I need to change the namespace because my repository is community toolkit, is Aspire the repository in community toolkit. I need to change here for community toolkit. Then my username, and I still have here my token. And there it is, the token. And if I take a look at the dependencies right now, I only have Aspire app host, but if I go back here to my package and I copy the command, I can now go here, create a new one. So let's clear this. Let's Aspire app host. And let's do .NET add package Aspire community toolkit. And there it is. Now we have our new package, part of the solution. So, hey, I can start to do Aspire plus Olama with the community toolkit in a very simple way. So that's basically it. That's what I'm going to share today as a reminder for next one, how you can add this package from GitHub in a super simple way. See you next one. And remember, if you want, please subscribe, give likes, comments, and more. See you next one. Goodbye.